Hi, everyone, welcome back to Dream Cars, your premier destination for the latest and most luxurious vehicles from around the globe. Today, we're delving into a masterpiece of Japanese craftsmanship, the *2026 Toyota Century *. Renowned for its elegance and exclusivity, the Century has long been a symbol of prestige in Japan. Now, Toyota has reimagined this icon, blending traditional luxury with modern innovation. Let's embark on this journey to explore what makes the 2026 Century truly exceptional. The 2026 Toyota Century presents a harmonious blend of classic design and contemporary aesthetics. At the forefront, the iconic Phoenix emblem graces the meticulously crafted grille, symbolizing grace and power, a nod to its storied heritage. Flanking the emblem are split LED headlamps, providing a distinctive light signature that enhances visibility and adds a modern touch to the vehicle's front fascia. The Century's profile exudes sophistication. Its boxy silhouette is complemented by rounded edges, creating a commanding presence on the road. The chrome-infused greenhouse and sweeping character lines accentuate its stately demeanor. One of the standout features is the availability of two rear door configurations, traditional hinged doors and minivan-style electric sliding doors, offering both elegance and practicality. Completing the exterior are the *20-inch alloy wheels, with an option for 22-inch wheels for those seeking an even more pronounced stance 3. The Century is available in 7 exquisite paint combinations, 5 of which feature a bi-tone finish, achieved through meticulous polishing techniques. Stepping inside the Century reveals a sanctuary of luxury and comfort. The cabin is adorned with premium materials, including plush leather, supple fabrics *, and lustrous wood accents, creating an atmosphere of unmatched refinement. The rear seating area is designed with the utmost attention to passenger comfort. The fully reclining seats offer a massage function, allowing occupants to relax in airline-style luxury. The inclusion of rotating picnic tables, two 11.6-inch entertainment screens *, and removable touchscreen control panels ensures that every journey is both comfortable and entertaining. For added convenience, the Century features electrically deployable side steps and rear doors that open to a 75-degree angle, facilitating effortless ingress and egress. The dashboard is equipped with dual 12.3-inch displays, providing intuitive access to vehicle information and entertainment options. The multi-function steering wheel shares its unique design with the Century sedan, emphasizing continuity and elegance. The rear of the Century maintains the vehicle's elegant aesthetic. The LED tail lamps feature 3D elements, providing a distinctive light signature that enhances both visibility and style. Prominently displayed at the center is the Century badging, a testament to the vehicle's legacy and exclusivity. The raked rear glass seamlessly blends with the upright tailgate design, contributing to the vehicle's aerodynamic profile. Additional features include grab handles on the C-pillars and electrically deployable side steps, ensuring that passengers can enter and exit the vehicle with ease and grace. The 2026 Toyota Century is more than just a vehicle, it's a statement of luxury, tradition, and innovation. From its meticulously crafted exterior to its opulent interior, every aspect of the Century is designed to provide an unparalleled driving experience. Thank you for joining us on this exclusive tour of the 2026 Toyota Century. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Dream Cars for more insights into the world's most luxurious vehicles. Until next time, drive with elegance and passion.